If you are looking for the best smart nutrition scale, you've come to the right place. These models highlight precise sensors, simple controls, and app guidance that may support meal planning and portion tracking. This helps you make an informed choice without overcomplicating cooking. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 9. Focusing on key functionality. This scale focuses on hospital-level precision using sensors developed alongside medical institutions. Clinical-grade validation means measurements line up closely with equipment used in clinics. A high-resolution display shows small changes in weight and body metrics clearly. Early insights come from resting heart rate readings taken during each weigh-in, giving cardio-related signals alongside weight. All results appear on one screen, with body composition data broken into easy-to-understand categories. The display remains sharp in different lighting, helping users read values without extra effort. App integration pulls metrics into the health app on compatible devices, reducing the need to log numbers manually. For people tracking progress over weeks and months, automatic user recognition keeps profiles separate in shared households. Compared with dedicated medical tools, it occupies less counter space and handles daily routine cleaning easily. This product earns its spot by combining precise body metrics, heart rate context, and straightforward app sync into one compact station. Buyers focused on long-term body composition tracking and subtle health signals often appreciate the blend of accuracy and simplicity. Number 8. This is the Escali Primo Digital Kitchen Scale. It has a chrome finish and a compact shape. The main function is precise weighing in grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. This matters because baking and nutrition depend on exact amounts. Too little or too much flour changes texture and calories. Accurate measurements help you follow recipes consistently and manage portions. The interface uses simple buttons and a clear display. You can switch units, add a tare weight, and zero out containers quickly. The low-profile design slides into small cabinets, and the smooth surface makes cleaning easy after spills. This suits meal preppers tracking food, home bakers weighing portions, and cooks who want exact data without a complex setup. It focuses on straightforward measurements, easy cleaning, and reliable delivery, so you can measure accurately and build better meals without overthinking your workflow. Number 7. This digital scale focuses on straightforward, precise portion measuring for everyday meals. The pull-out display stays flat with the counter, so you can read numbers clearly while sliding it for easier bowl fit. A sturdy stainless steel surface resists smudges and fingerprints, which helps keep the interface legible between uses. With a maximum capacity of 11 pounds, it covers common ingredients like rice, flour, and cuts of meat without taking up excessive counter space. Simple unit switching between grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters makes it adaptable for varied recipes. The tare function lets you weigh multiple ingredients in one container by resetting to zero, streamlining cleanup and workflow. For home cooks tracking macros, the scale supports precise portions to align with nutrition targets. Compact packaging and intuitive buttons reduce learning curves for family members or guests. By combining a large platform, clear display, and straightforward controls, it fits tight kitchens and structured meal plans. Its design targets practical accuracy, durable materials, and everyday convenience rather than niche features, explaining its spot on this selection. Number 6. Featuring a distinct design, this scale focuses on streamlined portion control without adding complexity to your routine. Its high capacity of 22 pounds and 1 gram accuracy lets you measure dense ingredients and small increments with confidence for everyday meals. The clear multiple image options help you quickly recognize the product layout and bowl size before unboxing, reducing guesswork. Precise measurements support consistent calorie tracking and meal planning, which appeals to fitness enthusiasts and budget-minded shoppers who want predictable portions. The platform and tare function are designed for easy cleanup and compact storage, keeping your workspace feeling open. You can use it for baking, grilling, holiday meal prep, and simple weeknight cooking, adapting to different diets without a learning curve. Compared with lower capacity models, the 22 pounds range means fewer switches when you scale recipes up. The straightforward unit switching, low profile, and simple display aims to integrate smoothly into daily habits rather than requiring extra effort. This product earns its place by balancing capacity, precision, and usability for cooks who value efficient, accurate food preparation. Number 5. Built with durability in mind, this scale focuses on detailed body insights instead of just simple weight. It uses 8-electrode dual-frequency segmental BIA to estimate up to 50 body metrics, including things like visceral fat, metabolic age, and segmental muscle mass. A large HD display shows key numbers for quick checks, so you can glance at the screen after a workout without reaching for your phone. Because it tracks trends over time, it suits people who want detailed data for serious planning rather than a single number. The device targets home cooks and fitness enthusiasts who want detailed body composition without a complicated routine. Setup involves stepping on the electrodes barefoot, which some buyers find more precise than light foot scales. Bluetooth pairing sends readings to an app for deeper graphs, while the display keeps you informed when the app is closed. Compared with basic smart scales, this one offers more metrics and segmented analysis, which may appeal to data-focused users. If you want a clearer picture of body trends to guide portions and training, this model could fit your goals. It earns attention because it balances advanced sensors with everyday display convenience. Number 4. Focusing on key functionality. This scale focuses on straightforward precision for everyday meals. The Etekcity 22 pounds food kitchen scale delivers consistent accuracy with gram-level resolution and a broad capacity up to 22 pounds. That range suits big batches and compact ingredients alike, reducing the need for multiple devices in your storage. The clear LCD and responsive buttons make unit changes quick, while the tare function cuts down on bowl clutter during recipe prep. Strong unit versatility, including grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms, supports diverse cooking styles from international recipes to fitness meal plans. Durable construction helps it handle regular countertop use, and the slim profile fits into tight cabinets without blocking storage. For meal planning, each measurement supports controlled portions, which helps track calories or macros more easily. It is best for home cooks who want simple data without complex setups or learning curves. This model earns its spot by balancing practical capacity, intuitive operation, and accessible pricing for budget-conscious buyers. If you want dependable weight readings and a no-frills digital scale, this design covers the basics cleanly. Number 3. This scale focuses on speed, not style, using a clear numeric display and a compact footprint that fits easily into tight cabinets. What sets it apart is a built-in nutritional database that shows calories and macros right on screen as you add food, which saves time compared to checking separate apps or notebooks. That matters because it turns everyday cooking into a low-effort tracking session, helping you log portions accurately without extra math or measuring cups. The unit switches between grams, ounces, pounds, and even fluid ounces or milliliters, making it useful for both dry and liquid ingredients. It cleans quickly since parts are dishwasher safe, and the scale carries an NSF certification for food contact safety. This model suits budget-minded home cooks who want straightforward portion control, simple meal prep, and basic data without complex setup. It earns its spot by combining precise weight tracking with instant nutritional lookup in a tidy, easy-to-maintain package that keeps the focus on cooking, not calculations. Number 2. For people who want detailed body insights without a complicated setup, this Renpho Smart Scale may look familiar at first glance. Its tempered glass top and simple footprint make it easy to place anywhere, while the Bluetooth connection handles syncing weight and more to your phone. When you step on, it measures 13 body metrics, including weight, BMI, body fat, and muscle mass, translating those readings into trends you can actually use over time. The companion app is where it separates itself, automatically sending data to Apple Health, Samsung Health, and Fitbit, so one device can feed multiple dashboards you already check. Being FSA and HSA eligible also lowers the barrier compared with some premium models. For home cooks tracking macros, fitness enthusiasts monitoring progress, or budget-minded shoppers who want detailed feedback, this scale removes the friction from routine measurements. It does not replace medical devices, yet it delivers precise, everyday tracking for meal planning and goal setting. In a crowded market, the combination of wide app compatibility, clear data, and insurance-friendly eligibility helps it stand out. Number 1. Built around a compact profile and a backlit display, this scale makes quick work of awkward containers on the counter. The unit measures in small increments, so you can portion protein or track spices with precision that matches structured meal plans. Clear grams and ounces readouts remove guesswork, and the tare function simplifies bowl prep in everyday cookware. Simple button layout and minimal modes keep the learning curve low for busy home cooks who want consistency without a learning curve, and a long auto-off preserve battery life between uses. The platform is removable for easy cleaning, and the construction balances stability with lightweight storage. This digital kitchen scale fits a narrow cabinet, yet covers pantry to baking needs, supporting accurate macros and straightforward storage. It pairs well with popular apps for logging, giving you traceable numbers for each meal, and the included AAA battery lowers long-term cost. For shoppers seeking straightforward precision with minimal fuss, this scale delivers measured help with everyday cooking and portion tracking. This model positions itself as a simple, no-frills kitchen scale for everyday use. Its larger platform and basic buttons make it easy to tare, switch units, and zero between ingredients. The low price and straightforward design help you practice portion control without complex settings. It suits budget-minded cooks who want quick, dependable numbers in grams and ounces. Compared with more expensive options, it earns a spot here for basic accuracy and broad appeal. Check the links below for current pricing and details.